Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And from the title of this video, as you can see, I have relaxed my hair. And I'm pretty much here to explain why I did it. I decided to go natural with my hair around early June, middle of June of last year. And I did it because I wanted something new. I had done minimal research on, transitioning and things like that. So I started my natural hair process, like I said, in June of last year. And I ended it Wednesday of this week. So it's been a year and almost 3 months that I was natural. My natural hair, it grew, but it grew so thick I could not take my hand and feel into my scalp. I was frustrated because I like to comb through my hair. To comb through my hair was it was literally a headache. My hair hated anything that I put on it besides water. My hair did not like conditioner. It did not like gel. It did not like edge control. My hair liked nothing but water. And of course, water dries your hair out. I mean, yeah, it brings back the moisture for a little bit, but it dried my hair completely out. I tried coconut oil. It didn't like that. Anything I would put on my hair would be like, oh, not today. Not today, sister. Nope. Can't do that. Not here. And I really tried. I really tried to make it work, but it was a struggle. I big chopped in November of last year. And if you go back to my video, I think it's like Bourgeois Cosmetics, I look like a freaking boy. I look like a boy. I did not feel pretty or anything like that. So I started doing protective styling. It was fine, but that was also a process. Getting used to different styles, getting my hair done every so often. When I did the rope twist, that's another story within itself. It really is. That's a different story within itself. I've had sew-ins, crochets, everything. And don't get me wrong, this is not a video to bash the natural hair community because, hey, I commend you. I just, myself, it wasn't working. It just, my hair was like, no ma'am, no sir. You can take that right on back where you got it from because we're not going to work today. The only thing my hair, like I said, my hair liked was water and Blue Magic hair grease. I guess my hair decided it was going to be my grandmother and my great-grandmother when I was little and be like, hey, you know what? This is what we want right here. And it was a struggle putting that in my hair every day because to part it and to put, that's another story within itself. I would look at my husband and I would cry. He'd be like, what's wrong? I was like, I'm frustrated with my hair, but I'm going to try to stick it out. And he said, well, baby, whatever you want to do, I'm right there with you. And he was an amazing support system for me. So when I decided that I wanted to go back to the creamy crack, he asked me, he said, are you sure? I said, yeah. He said, I support you 110%, but whatever you do, I want you to be sure. And this was about 2 months ago when we first had this conversation. And I said, yeah, baby, I'm ready. He said, are you sure? I said, no, let me hold out just another month and let me see. Well, the frustration came was when I had my sew-in this last time. And I went to cut it out. It would not cut out. I actually ended up clipping part of my hair. So now I have like a little short spot right there that's got to grow back in. When I combed my hair, I had so much, and I'm assuming that shedding, I had so much shedding on from my hair. It was ridiculous. And I was deep conditioning and everything, and it was just, and I said, you know what, this is it. I can't deal with this anymore. So I sat down with my husband again, and I told him, I said, look, I tried. I really, really tried. I can't do this natural hair thing anymore. He said, are you sure? I said, yes, I'm sure. He said, you know, I support you 100%, but whatever you do, I want you to be sure about what you want. I said, this is what I want. So I called my hairstylist, who has always put my relaxers in since I lived in this area. I called her. I said, I need to make an appointment with you. And she says, okay, what you need then? You just need your hair washed and flat ironed? I said, no, I want a relaxer. And she said, are you sure? She's like, what? It's like, yeah, I want a relaxer. She said, you lying. I was like, no, I'm not. She said, are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Because when it comes to my hair, I'm always switching up. So I went in Wednesday and voila. And if you follow me on Snapchat, you know, I posted that I went back to doing a relaxer. You know, with my natural hair and my face shape, I felt so ugly. And don't get me wrong, I've always had a big face, a big round face. My grandmother had a big round face. My dad has big face. And we have these huge cheeks. But it just wasn't for me. And I know, please don't get on here and bash me because I went back to a relaxer. This was my choice. This was my choice. Something that I wanted to do. And I feel good about it. I really, really do. You know, being natural is not for everyone. I gave it a year and 3 months. Me, I was supposed to have been gone back. And I know y'all see my curtain right there. It's all good. Hold on just a sec. There we go. Hey, look, it's a work in progress. But don't come on here bashing me. Oh, you shouldn't have done that. And this is bad for you. And da-da-da-da-da. Look. I know what's good for me. I know what's bad for me. I know what I want. And this is what I wanted. And after a year of being natural, this is my hair. My hair is at a really, really good length. Look at that. My hair is pretty long. And all I did was took 1.5 inch curling iron and put a few curls in it, and oh yeah. So I think I'm gonna start a series on how to care for your relaxed hair, because I don't see those videos. I see natural hair. I don't see relaxed hair. So if you want to see that from me, let me know. Like I said, I'm not bashing anyone who has natural hair. You know, hey, to each his own, different strokes for different folks. I'm just not one of them folks that need to be natural. I'm just not. So, but yeah, if you guys are interested in a series on how to, or caring for your relaxed hair, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do so. Yeah, I'm relaxed now. Happy, 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 happy. I'm so free. And thank you to my girl Beauty Essentials. She has been a big support system for me throughout this whole process. I really appreciate you, girl, because you have no idea. The natural hair community can be harsh. I'm just playing. But yeah, you know, some people can be really mean about it. But that's pretty much just my explanation. I just wanted to be relaxed again. Okay. Alright, so that's it. My battery is going to DIE. And in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.